At the cat show. What? This is like amazing. Where? 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 Right where? Oh my god.
When I looked on the computer, it said 90% today. The 90% at home today and 60 tomorrow.
Got it.
What'd she get? Like caught on her tooth or something?
Yeah, she got caught up. I thought it was on. Okay, where is this litter?
Smells like tuna.
Yeah, overload.
I know, there's too much going on right now. I can't take it all in.
We're the first to do your kids.
Oh, that's cute.
When you think about it.
Look at the one next to it and this thing. Yeah, these ones. In the face.
Oriental.
Got the ears.
I love them.
Oh, they're out here.
So we have to find this. We're looking for it. This both kind of look cracked out.
Yeah. There's a cat like staring at us.
Oh.
Like from across the room. Oh, look at that one. It's so cute.
Hey, if that ever gets too loud, it's a volume control.
Are you really? Well, I'm using it now. I don't know why.
It's so
They're like, get away.
I get one.
Where? That's cute.
They're better in person.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Want to go down this way?
I did all the nasty stuff already, like cleaning the eye boogers, brush them.
I didn't think we were either.
There was no Kennedys, no rumors, no nothing.
Higher will sell that. Because
This is cool. Oh.
That's what I get for carrying it around. In that purse.
What? Oh, they're cute.
And they have to go to all their Christmases and they haven't been.